I just finished building this Melamine Tallboy, and I created an online course to show you step by step through videos how to assemble it yourself at home. I'm going to show you step by step how to build your own Tallboy from Melamine. I've got a cutting list ready for you. You can simply send this into your local cutting and edging provider. Choose your own color of Melamine. I've got a PDF of building sketches that you can print out. You only need a cordless drill and a few tools and hardware that you can get at your local Galma store. Right, before we start getting into the build, I just want to get you familiar with the basic tools that we're going to use. So this session is just getting to know your cordless drill and the drill bits we're going to use and screws. Okay, other tools that we're going to use a lot is a combination square and of course our tape measure. Okay, so that's how we use the combination square. You simply loosen it here and you can slide it up or down, and then you can fix it in place and then make your marks or draw your straight lines as we're going to do later on. A quick lesson to show you how we assemble Melamine. Okay, so this is sometimes a bit tricky to keep aligned. The easiest way to do this is